Let's be real. Most people don't budget because they think it's too complicated, too restrictive, or simply too painful to face their finances. But here's the truth. If you don't control your money will control you. And let me tell you, money doesn't play fair. One unexpected bill, broke, one car repair, back to square one missed paycheck, panic mode. But here's the good news. You don't need a six-figure salary to take control of your finances. You just need the right strategy. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to budget like a pro, even on a low income, so you can build wealth instead of just surviving paycheck to paycheck. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a bulletproof budget plan that actually works, and one critical mistake to avoid at all costs. Let's dive in. Let's start with why most people fail at budgeting. Most budgets are like bad relationships, too controlling, too restrictive, and they set you up for failure. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You create a budget. Promise yourself no more eating out, no more fun, no more unnecessary spending. Then, 2 weeks in, you snap. You order takeout, impulse shop on Amazon, and suddenly your budget is just a sad memory. That's because strict budgeting doesn't work. Instead, we need a flexible, realistic, and automatic system. And that's exactly what we're building today. First, let's talk about the foundation. The 50-30-20 rule is one of the easiest budgeting methods to follow, and it works even on a low income. Here's how it breaks down. 50% for needs, rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. 30% for wants. Yes, you're allowed to enjoy life. Dining out, entertainment, hobbies. 20% for savings and debt, emergency fund, investments, paying off debt. Now, I know what you're thinking, but my bills eat up way more than 50%. Don't worry. Next, I'll show you how to adjust this rule to fit your income. Not everyone can do an exact 50-30-20 split, and that's okay. Here's the fix. If your needs take up 70% of your income, shrink your wants to 20% and savings to 10%. If you have debt, prioritize it before spending on wants. If you're struggling, start by saving just 5% and increase it over time. Remember, progress beats perfection. Even saving $10 a week is better than saving nothing at all. But what if you're living paycheck to paycheck with nothing left to budget? That's where the next strategy comes in. Let's cut the fat without making your life miserable. Negotiate bills, call your internet or phone provider and ask for a discount. You'd be surprised how often they say yes. Ditch unused subscriptions. If you're still paying for that free trial from 6 months ago, it's time to cancel. Cook at home. Eating out is fun, but have you seen grocery prices? A home-cooked meal is half the cost. Buy in bulk. Costco, Sam's Club, or bulk discounts can slash grocery bills by 20 to 30%. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest. And speaking of investments, let's talk about how to make your money grow. The wealthy don't save what's left after spending. They spend what's left after saving. Here's what you do. Automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit to your savings or investment account. Use an app to round up spare change and invest it. Treat saving like a non-negotiable bill, because your future self depends on it. But here's the big mistake that keeps people broke. The number one mistake? Lifestyle creep. You get a raise and suddenly you upgrade your car, your apartment, your entire life. Stop. This is how people stay broke, no matter how much they earn. Instead, increase your savings rate first, then upgrade your lifestyle responsibly. That's how you escape the paycheck to paycheck trap. So let's wrap this up. Here's your simple roadmap to budgeting like a pro. Follow the 50-30-20 rule or adjust it to fit your needs. Cut unnecessary expenses without sacrificing your lifestyle. Automate savings so you pay yourself first. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Wealth is built by keeping more, not spending more. The choice is yours. Stay stuck in financial stress or take control today. And if you want to take your finances to the next level, check the description below for tools and resources that can help you start building wealth immediately. Your future self will thank you.